Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can loop objects in Geometry Dash. So let's start with the first step, which is to launch the Geometry Dash application. And once you're in here, just open the level editor. So in here is where you can create a new level or open an existing one where you want to loop objects. Next is use the selection tool to highlight the objects that you want to loop. So you can select multiple objects by dragging a selection box around them. Next step is to open the Build Helper menu and then look for the duplicate or loop option. So from here, you just have to enter how many times you want to repeat the selection. Next is configure the spacing and offset for your looped objects. So the editor will show a preview of where the duplicated objects will appear. And lastly is your objects are now looped, so the patterns repeat seamlessly across your level, so you can test to play and see how it looks in action. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!